15 countries in EU recognize Covishield vaccine for travel. Soumya Swaminathan, an Indian pediatrician and clinical scientist who serves as a chief scientist at the World Health Organization (WHO), claims that 15 EU countries so far recognize the AstraZeneca vaccine manufactured by the Serum Institute India as a valid proof of immunity for travel. 15 countries in EU now recognize Covishield for travelers, Dr. Swaminathan wrote on her personal Twitter account while retweeting an announcement of the Belgian Minister of Development Cooperation Mariame Kittier, that Belgium has decided to recognize Covishield as a valid proof of immunity for travel. The issue of the acceptance of the Covishield vaccine as proof of immunization for travel to the EU member states has been widely discussed recently, after several countries in the bloc have refused to recognize the vaccine, as the same is not authorized by the European Medicines Agency (EMA) yet. The 15 countries that allegedly recognize the vaccine, 13 of which are EU members and the remaining 2 are Schengen area countries, are as follows: 1. Austria 2, Belgium 3, Bulgaria 4, Finland 5, Germany 6, Greece 7, Hungary 8, Iceland 9, Ireland 10, Latvia 11, the Netherlands 12, Slovenia 13, Spain 14, Sweden 15, Switzerland. SchengenVisaInfo.com previously reported that Spain is among these countries, as the Spanish authorities recognize all COVID-19 vaccines approved by the WHO and EMA, a total of 8. Iceland also accepts a total of 8 COVID-19 vaccines, as proof of immunity against the virus, for travelers reaching its territory. The rest of the EU members, as well as 2 other non-EU Schengen area countries, Norway and Liechtenstein, refuse to recognize the Covishield vaccine until EMA authorizes it for use in the EU. Greater than travel to France, which COVID-19 vaccines are accepted as proof of immunity currently. The vaccines authorized by EMA are Comirnaty, Pfizer, Spikevax, Moderna, Vaxzevria, AstraZeneca, and Janssen, Johnson & Johnson. Whereas the following are under review: German CureVac, Russian Sputnik V, American Novavax, and the Chinese Sinovac. Whereas the vaccines approved by the WHO are Comirnaty, Pfizer, Vaxzevria, AstraZeneca, Covishield, AstraZeneca produced in India, Janssen, Johnson & Johnson, Spikevax, Moderna, as well as the Chinese Sinopharm and Sinovac Coronavac. Currently, only 9 countries in the EU and Schengen area accept all vaccines authorized by the WHO. These are Finland, Germany, Latvia, Netherlands, Hungary, Spain, Sweden, Iceland and Switzerland. As of July 12, 63, 8% of the EU EEA adult population has taken at least the first dose of a COVID-19 vaccine, while 44.1% of the adult population in the EU EEA have been fully vaccinated. Currently, Iceland has the highest rates of vaccination, with 89% of its population vaccinated with at least the first dose, while Bulgaria has the lowest rate with 30.4% of its population vaccinated with the first shot.